Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about prime factorization and method to find prime factors. First one is factor tree method, another one is repeated division method. Now move to prime factorization. In prime factorization we have to write a composite number as the product of prime factors, or we can say that in prime factorization we have to convert a composite number as the product of prime numbers. So there are two ways to find the prime factors of number, and that are first one is factor tree method and second one is repeated division method. Here we will discuss these two methods with the help of example. So first move to prime factorization by using factor tree method. Here is a question: find the prime factorization of 70. We have to use the factor tree method. So here is the solution. We can find the prime factors of 70 in two ways, and that are, look at here. So come to first one. 70 can be written as the product of two numbers 10 multiplied by 7. So here we got the 7 as it is the prime number, so leave that one and convert 10 as the product of another prime number. So 10 can be written as 2 multiplied by 5, okay, or we can say that 5 multiplied by 2. So here the prime numbers are 7, 2 and 5. These are the prime numbers. We have converted in one way. Now move to the second way. Here 70 can be written as the product of two numbers, that is 35 multiplied by 2. Here 2 is the prime number, so leave that one and break the another number, that is 35. 35 can be written as the product of two numbers, that is 5 7s. 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. So here 5 and 7 are also prime number, so no need to expand that one, leave in that position. So the prime numbers are 2, 5 and 7. We have done this 70 prime factorization of 70 in two ways. First by multiplying 10 multiplied by 7, or in second 35 by 2. And the prime numbers are, the prime factors in both the cases are 2, 5 and 7. Okay, the prime factors in both cases are these 2, 5 and 7. So we can say that the prime factorization of 70 is equal to, we can write that one as 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. Okay, this is the prime factorization of 70. 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. You can solve this one in either of these two ways. Next move to the prime factorization with the help of repeated division method. See here again we have to select one question. Find the prime factorization of 64 and 80. Here is the solution. So we have to convert the composite number to the prime numbers with the help of repeated division method. Okay, so we have to divide the number again and again until we get the remainder as 1. Okay, you have to divide till you get the remainder as 1, or you can say that the last number as 1. So divide the 64 with the help of prime numbers starting from smallest one. Our smallest prime number is 2. If it is not divisible by 2, then move to the 3. In this way you have to check, you have to divide the number with the help of prime numbers. So here I have in the first one I have divided 64 with the help of 2, so I get 32 here. Again I have divided with 2, so here the number is 16. 16 to is 32. Again I have divided with 2, so the number becomes 8. Again I have divided with 2, so it becomes 4. Again I have divided with 2, so it becomes 2. Again 2, 2 to the 2 1s are 2, so the remainder is 1 here. You have to divide until you get the remainder as 1. Okay, in this way you have to divide. So the prime factorization of 64 is, how many times 2 it is? 6 times 2. So it is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. In this way you have to write the prime factorization with the help of repeated division method. Now move to the second one. Okay, here we will discuss the prime factorization of 80. Again you have to divide. So if we divide 80 by 2, it becomes 40. Again divide it 2, so 40 by 2 it is 20. Again I have divided it 2, that becomes 10. 10 to the 20. Now divide the 10 with 2. So 2 5s are 10. So here the number changes. That is, you have to divide with 5. So 5 by 5 it is 1. We got the remainder as 1. So we can say that the prime factorization of 80 is 4 times 2 multiplied by 5. So this is the prime factorization of 80. In this way, you have to convert a composite number as a product of prime number, either with the help of factor tree method or with the help of repeated division method. That's all. Thank you, students.